Good evening, everyone. I have had a few questions about how to submit your NCLEX questions. So I'm just going to kind of clarify. You go under the NCLEX questions, you pick the area, the date that you're supposed to be. So is it your first submission, your second submission? So let's say we are going to be submitting under here. This is under my student one, so ignore the date. You know your submission times, and you know how many to submit. You're then going to browse your computer and find what you are looking for. I'm just picking a little thank you note that I did for Nancy Grant, not some real submission. And I'm going to hit submit. And it takes a moment to think. It's thinking. Good old Blackboard. Okay, so now I can actually tell that it is really there because it pops up. And this was a thank you note for Nancy for covering a clinical for me and, get by with a little help from my friends, and there she is. Anyway, hope that helps. Have a good night.